Our next element is bookshelf. And to use bookshelf element, you need another add-on that's called Display PDF Viewer for WordPress add-on. You will get every necessary links in the description. So please check this out. Bookshelf add-on adds a bookshelf or a shelf on your website. It looks brilliant in design, and your PDFs or your ebooks will be organized on that bookshelf. You can see like this. So when someone clicks that PDF, it will open as a pop-up or a link in a new tab. And this PDF is readable. So this is what bookshelf does on your WordPress website. So get this plugin and you can use it with your WPBakery page builder. Let's see how. Go to your WPBakery and then take the bookshelf wizard. You can see when I took the bookshelf element, a bookshelf has automatically come on. Now what I need to do is I need to select some PDF viewers. Let's select a few. This one. The open type can be either pop-up or link. I'm using pop-up. There are 4 types of shelf: wood style 1, 2, glass style 1 and 2. There are 4 different types of shelf. You can use any one you like and then put any class name here so that you can add additional CSS later. Now click on Save Changes and you can see 4 PDFs are easily organized on my bookshelf. Isn't that great? And all of them are clickable. So it doesn't only show the PDF books, it is also readable from here. The visitors just need to click once to read this PDF. You can see this looks brilliant as well. So this is a very unique plugin to have on your WordPress website. A very few of WordPress websites use this plugin. And that is how you use bookshelf plugin on your WordPress website.